opening ceremony of the Sydney Olympics, and the first weekend of events is looking fine and dry as well. If anything, temperatures a little above average here. And the reason for the settled weather? Well, we've got a ridge of high pressure in charge for southeastern Australia. Now, it couldn't be more different if we come back home. Low pressure is firmly in charge. We've already seen an inch or two of rain in places in parts of England and Wales, some quite atrocious conditions around. That's with us for the rest of today, and it only slips slowly away into tomorrow, leaving quite a blast of northwesterly winds, although eventually as high pressure builds into the south it would be a lot drier. By then, though, the rain will start to come into Northern Ireland and Scotland. That'll be around for Sunday, and it will sweep southwards into England and Wales then for Monday. Now, the heaviest rain last night was across the southwest, nearly an inch or two of rain here in St Mary's. The heaviest rain now is falling across East Anglia and the southeast. We've seen 10 to 15 millimetres falling in just an hour here, so some fairly difficult driving conditions, quite hazardous actually, with a lot of low cloud as well, and we may expect some local flooding. Now, you can see that here on the radar picture. The reds indicate the heavier bursts, and the problem is we've got another pulse of that rain moving out of the near continent too. We've also quite a lot of rain further north through northern England, even reaching the borders of Scotland, particularly heavy at the moment through the Pennines. So there is a flood watch out. Still some heavy rain to come, parts of Wales, parts of southern and southeast England. And if you live in England and Wales, you can find out more information on the flood line. That's 0845 988 1188. Again, the problem we have is that rain is with us for the rest of today for many parts of England and Wales. It'll only slowly start to clear later in the day from western areas. It'll hang around for much of the night in the east. It'll be into tomorrow before we clear the rain here, but then it does look a lot drier for England and Wales. But not so this afternoon. Some pretty atrocious conditions out and about, mist and low cloud as well, some heavy thundery bursts of rain. A little bit more showery in the west, but some of those showers will still be quite heavy. There'll be a few showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland, one or two sharp ones, but equally there'll be some sunshine in between those showers. Here we'll probably see the highest temperatures as well, perhaps 18 around in Dundee. Fairly cool affair further south and quite muggy in the south and the east. That rain's around for much of the night in eastern areas, but it dries off elsewhere. It'll turn fresher actually here than last night, but that rain will take into tomorrow afternoon.